Hello, it's me Thiarara. I'm going to show you how to create this pop-up login form and registration form like this one, and I'm also going to show you how you will add it on a page like this one and just pop up like the same. I'm going to show you all this, and with that, it's just that let's get into action. Let's go to our dashboard, and the plugin that you're going to use a dynamic content for Elementor, and you're also going to use Elementor Pro. Use the link below to purchase them. Here is the you'll be directed to this to purchase Elementor Pro, and you also directed to this page to purchase the dynamic content for Elementor. With that, all you need to do now is create some template. You're going to add new template. The first thing you're going to add is you're going to add the form as a pop-up. So you call it login so after that you would see these already made template. You don't need them. We need to create one for us. So with Elementor Pro, you have the login here. Just type login and drag and drop. With that, now you have your login page. You can come and set feeding from here. I want this login button to be in the middle. If you want it to be in the middle, you want it to be on the light, fine. If you want it to stretch like this, you can select this justified alignment. So I want it to be on the left button, on the left side. So after that, we are going to additional option from here. Redirect after login. The page you want redirect. We want it to redirect to home. So I'll copy this one. You can redirect to any page you want. So for me, I'll direct it from home. Redirect after logout. What do you want it to after logout to be redirected to? The page you want them to land. So I copy. I just want them to be redirected to home. So there you have it. After now, I come to custom label about these ones. This one here. So I want them to remain the same. I will not change. So, but you can change if you want something. Link color. I just want them to be red. On whole form, I want them to turn green. You see, this one. This is a link color. If you lost your password. So after that, we come here and say variable here. Select the color you want them to. I want them black. You can select the spacing between this, but this input button, input space, and your label here. Stretch like that. Stretch like that. You can put something like 10. You see. It's good to you can be able to read. Let's edit this the topography of this label here. So I select Mount Salat just like that, and you can edit even the size. You can see I put 20. The weight I want them to be about 900. You can see they are readable now. Let's transform and capitalize. You capitalize each and every first letter of each word, and then sorry for that. So we come here again. Decoration. Do you want them to be decorated? Like you can underline, you can overline, you see, you can pass even a line through. So I don't want any decoration for now. From that, let's go now to field. This field, text color, I want them to be black. topography, let's set also. I use the family of Montserrat in, yeah, you see, now it's all good, it seems good. Let me add some weight there, and I put around 400, all 600, you see. Now it can be, it's so easy to read from there. So I don't need anything else to, background color one, then put black. Border color, I want it to be black, this one. After that, you can set the width, but I want it to mean the width is. Let's now come to this button here. I select the text color, I want it to be white. The background color, I want it to be black. You see, add on hover, when you just pass your mouse there, the color I want it to turn green, and I want it to turn red. Let's see. So good. Let's try something like white here. It's a good one. So, and you can set even the let's set the border radius. I want it to be on style. I want this to be 10. I also want the LED, the light one to be 20. Bottom, I want it to be 50. And the left, I want it to be 10. Or you can put 20 here. You can play with the number and see which one suits you. Yeah, you see. So after that, we set the button. You can set the topography and set everything, but it seems good for me. So after that, I go to login message. So I want it to be the LED color, topography. Let me use Montserrat. I want it to be 20. Put 20 here, and I add the weight to 800. This is a message that will pop up after you use a successful login. After that, I publish my pop-up. Yeah. So yeah, it's a good one. Everything is okay. So I publish it, and I save and close. We have already created our first login pop-up. Let's now create the second one, which is the register pop-up. We add new, or you can come here. If you get lost, come here, template, add new, select here and say a pop-up and register. So here come and create template. So let's close. We don't need the already made template. We are going to create ours. So let's come here and say I want this 2-step here, 2 section in there, and I want to put a background image. Let's edit from here and say click on this section here, and we want to add a background image. You can create a color, you can create an image, you can select any color you want. Yeah, you can select even the gradient, or you can select something like that, and you come here and select greenish. So just like that, seems good. You can change the background like that. So we come here and say you can write something, you can design it the way you want it to. New here, get me in. You can do something like, you can create anything you want, but Let's style up what we have just created. Text color, I want it to be black. Topography, I want it to be I want to a family of in Montserrat. Select Montserrat like that. Create like that. Have something like 60, 65. Wait, add like add 900 and transform to capitalize. Yeah, so you can the letter spacing, you can even the line height, you can select like that. From that, so from that, let's now add our register form here. So what you're going to do is search for form here like that and put it there. You're going to edit this everything from here, everything that we have just dropped here. So we need to remove the message because we don't need the message. What we do need is name. The next thing is username, so it will be text and label is username. So you need name, email, username. So email, I want it to be here, and I also want to add password. I come here, it's whenever you want to add something, you just click add new item there and select. After you select that, select the type you want of the input, the one you wanted to be input here. Let's select search for password, select there. After that, label, you want it to be password. So placeholder, you can even put password, copy this and paste. Yeah, is it required? Yes, everything here will be required. For username, yeah, username is also required. So after that, we are going to add phone number. You can add as more as you can. So you come here and select to be text and say phone number, or you can say phone. You can say, you can add something even like phone. Is it required? Say yes. Yeah. After that, we have just created some field where we want it. You can add as many as you can. For now, I drag this one to here. Password to be After that, we come here and say label. It should show label. Yeah. And the other thing, required mark. After you tick, it will show this is a required field from here. After that, what next are you going to do is you're going to, before we style up everything, let's first of all finish everything. Let's come now to this button. The button should be labeled register. Just that, and we say I should show. Let's set it on the middle here. You see, right there. We'll set everything. We'll just after this, we are going to style everything and it will be visible. What next now? After action, after now you get to action after submit. So what do you need to? So we need to save, because you want to save. Select save. After you save, what next do you want? an email. We want email. The email one will come from you. The next thing we want is email the one who registered, the customer who just created the account with you. So after that, we need a pop-up. Select pop-up. Nothing more from there. So let's set our email. This is the email you get. I did a tutorial on how to edit this field. I'll put the link. Use the link below on the description to visit the tutorial. So from here we are going to edit and say hi user. You can just leave it the way, all field and everything. You just leave it. All field. So for email one, you just leave it the way it is. Select set as print. Now we go to email 2. Email 2. This is the one that the customer will get. The one who registered will get. So we come here and say copy this one from and paste it here. From, so we don't want to send our field, so we say hi is a custom message the customer will get. So we come to field and say select username and say field, copy that field, shortcode, copy that one, and you come here and say field 2, select here and space and paste. Now it will show the name, the username, hi, and then scroll here and say thank you for registering with us. Use the link below. You can use the link below to log in to your account. Yeah, after that, scroll down there and say what else do we need? We say regards my blog. You can add anything else. What do you want it? After that, you can add the link. Like you can copy this link here. You copy the link. Put here the link you want. After that, now we are done with it. Set as a print. Remember to set that. After that, now we go to save. What do you want now to be saved? We are registering a new, not a post. We are registering a new user. Select here and set user. So from here now, we are going to set everything. After successful registration, don't edit here. Select redirect to home page. Yeah. Or you can leave it the way it is. Meta, don't edit that. Username, with the username, copy here and say field of username. Come here and say select the username, or you can select even the multiple file. You only need come here and select advanced. Copy the shortcode, username, and select save here, and you can paste. because now we have the username section, so what we need is the username. So come here and select field, username, and copy this field, shortcode, copy, select save, and come here username and say paste. This should be, it will be shown as username. The user email, everything is correct. The user role, which the role do you want one registered? You can select. If you have already created an e-commerce website, you should be able to see here call maybe customer, manager, or anyone else. You can select. For now, I want it to be subscriber. Auto login, I leave it the way it is. User registration error message, say subscriber already exists. Yeah, it could be subscriber already exist. Yeah, with that now let's come here and style what we have just created. Come here and let's style. We don't have any step for now, so we come to form text color, it will be black, this one here on top. Icon, we don't have icon already, but you can add, you can put also black. Mark, let it be red. Topography of this one, of the label here, this one. So we come here and say Monticello, and you can edit even the size. You can put something like 15. It all depends on how you want it big, and you can even also add weight to maybe 800. You see, it's now visible. Transform, capitalize first letter of each word. You can style and everything else. So after that, now we go to HTML field. We are not having HTML field, but you can add something like parallel. So you can add topography and everything. So after that, we are going now to field here. So we are going to set everything now for here. Text color, let it be black, and you can even set the icon color if you have one. Description, you can also have one, let it be black. After that, border radius here, I just put color black, or you can put whichever you want, but let it be black. It's good. After that, now you can set the border radius. You can top up, you can add. You can see, let it be like something like 3, and you can also add the border radius to something like 50. When you just done something good. So after that, we are now to this button. Select the button here and select the color, background color. I want it to be black. Text color, let it remain white. On hover, I want it to turn red, and I want the text to be black. You see, some good. Background color, leave it the way it is. Let's now set the radius, and link everything. So from top we say maybe 20, and left we say 20. Bottom here, now I want light to be something like 30, and bottom 50. Yeah, you can add even something like even 20 to seem good. Yeah, after that, now you have the message color you want, let it be black. So after that, we have created, you can add even a title here and say, so we never added the title here, but okay, let's remove it from here. Let it add here. Let it register. Let's remove this one and say register form, and you could select it on center, style, text color, let it be black. You set the typography, select Montserrat, select the, you can select the size, weight, put something like 900, transform, capitalize, style, decoration, underline. You see, after that you can even view it on mobile. This is how it will look on mobile. It doesn't look good, so you come here and edit from here. So select topography here and so you can see. Let's remove it on mobile phone. So what we do is just select this one here. You just select this edit pen here and come to advanced, select responsive and hide on mobile. Let's see it on tablet, how it look like. On tablet, same good. So how does it look? Let's see it how it look on mobile phone. That's how it look on mobile phone. So let's close here. Let's publish it. Entire site. Save. Save. Before I close, let's add something from here and say we needed some pop-up content. So let's go here and say so it was form, this form, layout, select this one. So content here, it also before it was a pop-up, we forgot this one. After save, we needed to go to pop-up, choose pop-up, select close pop-up and say don't show again, or leave it the way it is. Don't and update. This pop-up was so essential. So after that, now we exit this one and we come here, we come here and edit something like we come here to save template. I had already created a header, so we come here to header and edit the header with Elementor. So after that, now we need to start something here. So we come here and select intersection, drag and drop there. The first one, let's squeeze this one here, just like that, and let's squeeze this one here, something like that, and we add a button here, and after the button, type default, click here and say login. Select dynamic tag here and select pop-up and select then again on this one and select open pop-up, select pop-up and say login. Login template, select the template. There you can let's set this button here, it comes to style and select text color to be black or white, background to be black. Border radius, you can select something. You can even add LED select something like red border radius, put something like 50. With that, we have already created our first button. Let's duplicate this one and delete this one. For this one now, let me close. So let me edit this one. So you come here, select this one and select pop-up here, not all template, say register template, just that, like that. Let's put it on the center and come here and select there, content alignment to be center, and I also put this one, just let it remain like that. So this one, why? So this one was supposed to be register. With that, we have already created our button and update. After that, now let's exit from here. Let's put the same button on a page. You can put them on a page also. Come here, all pages, select one of your page. I will use this one. I edit. Same process you are going to do, but I want to show you how you can put it somewhere else. It doesn't have to be maybe a login form. It can be any other form, but I can show you how you can. So you come here and say add a button here, maybe put two selection there, and come here and say a button here. Select a button, drag and drop. It will work the same. So select here and say pop-up, select the pop-up you want. So maybe login, sorry for that. Come here and select login, just like that. Text here and say login. Advanced, let's style our button. Text color, let it black and let it be, maybe you can add something. You can even use the different color. You can set where you want it to look like. Yeah, you can duplicate this one and delete this one. Yeah. So select the pop-up here and say select the register form, like that, and here you come and edit the name here, say register. So after that, remove this one. You can style up where you want it to look like. So let me edit this one and like that, and come and here layout, select this one and come to content, and set to the, you can set it where you want to, and you can update. Let's check what we have just created. So exit the dashboard, close here. Let me open it on a private page and see what we have created. So you can see when you click on this button, it works. Yeah, and you can log in after register. You see, let's create one account here and see. Say Thiarara Peter. Thiarara Peter. Username, I want it to be Thiarara. Phone, You can add in phone, email, the one you want. Before you register, I just wanted to just check. We only have only one user, the admin. Yeah, so let's check now. Let's come here and select register. You can see the form was registered successfully. So what to come here now and refresh our page. You see it's already been created. Yeah, he's a subscriber. You see the email here and the username. What else do you need? So let's go to our cPanel and check on the database. Come here. So after that, let's log into the database and select users. You can see it was already been created. Our number 5, the time. You can see the time already. Yeah, so it's very easy. So with that, let's see the button we did created on them. So you can click. You see it works. You can click this one also. So with that, we have just created the login and the register form. Yeah, did you learn something? If you did learn something, click the like button there. Remember to subscribe to my channel for the more videos to come soon, and also remember to turn on my notification for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.